guys, and welcome back to No Bland Makeup, where we do makeup and body paint tutorials, and I do these things that make me wonder what's wrong with me. So, a little backstory. Animal Crossings came out. It's not really my thing, but I wanted to participate, so I did this. I'm not sure how I feel about this. I think there's a reason I don't have many friends. Anywho, so I already applied a bald cap. I blocked out my eyebrows. I will have links somewhere. God, this was interesting. But I'm gonna start off by applying the pink that's gonna be on my face, leaving out a space for the white that is Reese's face. Reese? I don't know. I have never actually played Animal Crossing, so yeah. Sorry. I kind of want to though. It looks like fun, but right now I'm in the middle playing The Witcher, and I still have to finish Shadow of Mordor. Like, I got other things to play. Anywho, once I finished with the pink, I started filling in the white. Body paints like this and cosplays like this it's really good to kind of break things down by color first to kind of have a base for everything that you're going to do, and then go in and do the details. It sounds pretty straightforward because it is. I found that this is the easiest way to kind of like do these, especially if it's a character that's already like existing. And now that I have my kind of base thing going on, I'm gonna go ahead and apply some pink for my cheeks. I didn't have a lighter pink, so what I wound up doing was just mixing a little bit of white with the pink that I used for the rest of my face, and that was the cheek color as well as the lip color. For the lips, you can just use it like, if you have a lipstick, cool. If you don't, body paint works too. And then for her eyes, keep in mind they all have like very like doll eyes almost, so I went ahead and drew those out, so that way when my eye is closed it looks more like the character. My husband also refused to speak to me until after I finished washing this off. This is a fun night. But yeah, so I went ahead and did that. Originally I left out spaces for where I was going to put the eyes, and then I realized I didn't leave enough space, so I just went over it. With black body paint it's a little bit easier, especially if it's a really opaque one, because you can just kind of go over everything. So that's why I usually recommend to do the lighter colors first and then do your darkest colors last. Now for the rest of the body, I went ahead and painted parts of my chest pink, my arm pink, my other arm pink, sorry Captain Fred. And then I went back after I glued on my ears, which I was waiting for the latex to dry, don't judge. I went ahead and shaded some areas so you can see more of like her hair coifs. I don't even think coif is the correct word, but like she has hair. So I wanted to define that a little bit more, and then I started drawing on her apron, just in red body paint. This was really super easy. It just looks really creepy when my eyes are open. And then I originally cut out some poster board ruffles, and I was going to glue it to my neck, but then I realized I can't move my head. So painting it was going to be a bit of an issue. So what I did was went in with a little bit of a light pink, went in with a darker pink, and those were her llama ruffles. There you go. I don't know, it's effective for the character, you know? And she has hooves, so I painted one hand black, because at this point I was like, you know what? This is getting a little too weird even for me. But yeah, that is pretty much it. Like I said, my husband refused to talk to me after this. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I don't know. Let me know in the comments what you want to see next. Clearly I have lost my mind. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed the randomness, don't forget to subscribe. Share with your friends, please, because Lord knows I need to embarrass myself on the internet. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.